In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Stockx discount codes 2025 step by step. If you're looking to save on your next Stockx purchase, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to locate a working coupon, reveal it, copy it, and apply it at checkout. I'll also share a few quick tips so you know what to expect along the way. First, open your browser and head to a reputable coupon site that lists current Stockx promotions for 2025. Look for a page that clearly focuses on Stockx coupon codes and shows recent updates. The freshest listings usually sit near the top, and many pages highlight whether a code is verified or recently used. That date and verification status matter, because codes change frequently and older ones may have expired. If you see multiple options, keep a couple in mind in case the first one doesn't work for your account or region. Next, click on Show Coupon Code. Most coupon sites hide the exact code until you press that button. You might see a small pop-up or a new tab. That's common. You don't need to download anything or sign up for extra tools. The goal here is just to reveal the characters of the code. If an extra window opens with a promotion, simply focus on the code itself and keep it handy. Once the code is visible, click Copy. Make sure the entire code is captured in your clipboard without extra spaces at the beginning or end. Many codes are case sensitive, and even a stray character can cause an error. It can help to paste the code into a temporary note just to double check it's complete. Also glance at any stated restrictions. Some codes have minimum purchase amounts, apply only to certain categories, or are limited to new customers. Now, when you're on Stockx at checkout, find the discount or promo code field. This field is usually located on the payment or order summary section. Click into the box and paste the code exactly as you copied it. Avoid adding spaces and don't mix it with any other text. If the field doesn't appear immediately, it often shows after you've selected your shipping and payment details. Finally, click Apply. Watch for the confirmation message and updated totals. You should see the discount reflected in your order summary if the code is valid. If it doesn't apply, try another recent code from the same coupon page. Remember, most promotions can't be stacked, and some are region or account specific. That's it. You've located a current Stockx coupon, revealed it, copied it, pasted it at checkout, and applied it. Keep an eye on expiration dates and always use trusted coupon sources to avoid outdated or misleading offers. Happy savings and good luck with your purchase.